Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a milk sweet recipe. So we need only 4 ingredients for this recipe and we can make this recipe within 10 minutes of time, and it's an easy one, so definitely try this for this Diwali season. Come on, let's get started. To a bowl I'm adding 1.5 cups of milk powder. To this I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it well. Initially you might find it difficult, but if you whisk it properly you can see that it comes to a batter consistency. So this is the exact consistency that we want. Ensure that there are no lumps in the batter. Now to a pan I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, and to this I'm adding 300 ml of condensed milk, which is a little less than 1 cup. Mix it well until they well combine. And after a minute you can see that the consistency of the milk maid turns watery, and now it's time to add the milk powder mixture. And now on medium flame mix this continuously for at least 5 minutes. Stir it so that there are no lumps formed. After exactly 5 minutes you can see that the mixture turns into a dough. And exactly after 5 minutes this is how it looks. Let's transfer this to a plate and let it cool down. And now it has come to a room temperature. Let's knead this for a minute. And now I'm going to apply little ghee on my palm so that it doesn't stick to our hand. Take desired amount and I'm going to make them into balls. You can make any shapes of your wish. I'm going to make a small dent in the middle, and we can place any nuts of your choice. I'm going to place almond. And now that's it. Our delicious and yummy milkpeda is now ready. Our yummy milk sweet is now ready. It's time to taste. So rich and creamy. It's just like the palkova. We definitely give this a try. Everybody will love this. Do try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.